Sure is a beautiful day outside.
No, a clue right there.
Oh, don't worry. Today is Mother's Day, so I'm sure we'll do something special.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, a clue. You see a clue. Where? Oh, yeah. There is a clue on those shapes. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay, so we have shapes. So I'll start with the circle, then a shape like the letter X, and then a swirl. There, shapes. So, what could we do outside for Mother's Day with shapes? What do you think? Maybe, but I think we need to find 2 more clues, get some more information to figure this out.
A clue. A clue.
What? You hear another tweet? Okay.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Where? Oh, there's a clue on the ground.